This powder will soon become medicine trusted by millions. Every second, machines strike with relentless precision.
Thousands of tablets are formed every single minute.
Behind this tiny tablet lies absolute precision.
Tablets are the most common form of medicine in the world.
Billions are consumed every single day, across every continent.
Each tablet must release its medicine at the right moment. Manufacturing must balance speed with absolute accuracy.
The uplifted. Something so small demands enormous industrial precision.
Tablets must remain effective for years, not days. Every tablet is designed to survive storage and transport. Once produced, tablets move quickly toward patients.
The flow rate is optimized. We are maintaining level 3 compliance.
Noted. The analytics confirm stability. The journey begins long before a tablet takes shape. Every tablet begins with an active pharmaceutical ingredient. Excipients shape how the tablet forms and dissolves. Powders behave unpredictably at microscopic scales.
Raw materials are stored under strict environmental control.
Each batch is measured down to the milligram.
Materials move without ever touching open air. Dust control protects both workers and medicine. Engineers must predict how powders will behave. Even air conditions affect tablet quality.
Facilities are designed to prevent cross-contamination.
Identity testing confirms every ingredient. Only approved materials enter production. Only then can manufacturing truly begin. Loose powders cannot be compressed directly into tablets. Granulation binds particles into more stable structures. Liquid binders hold particles together under pressure.
Granules improve flow and compression behavior.
This transformation is critical for consistency.
Moisture is carefully removed using controlled heat. Drying stabilizes granules for further processing.
Uniform granules flow predictably through machines.
Sizing ensures uniform compression behavior. Blending distributes medicine evenly throughout the batch.
Uniformity is the foundation of safe dosing.
The operator carefully collects the samples required for the uniformity test, a vital step in quality control.
Uniformity is the single greatest challenge in tablet manufacturing.
Even slight differences can cause segregation.
Environmental control reduces process variability.
Time is as critical as motion. Particle size must remain within tight limits. Too much blending can be as dangerous as too little.
Insufficient mixing creates dose variability. Only approved blends move forward. The blend is now ready for compression.
Cleaning prevents cross-contamination between products.
Now, raw material becomes a tablet. This is where granules are transformed into tablets.
Each punch applies immense force with every strike.
Force must be precisely controlled to the smallest margin.
In milliseconds, loose material becomes solid medicine.
Each tablet exits the press fully formed.
Dimensions are monitored continuously during production. Weight consistency ensures accurate dosing. Even minor defects lead to immediate rejection.
Internal cracks can compromise tablet integrity.
Sensors detect pressure changes instantly.
Compression must be powerful, but never uncontrolled.
Hardness testing confirms mechanical strength.
Tablets are tested for resistance to breakage.
Defective tablets never reach patients. Production speed increases without sacrificing quality.
Thousands are produced every minute, without pause.
Tooling must move smoothly under extreme forces. Tool wear can alter tablet quality.
Foreign particles are detected instantly.
Excess powder is removed before further processing. Only clean, intact tablets continue forward.
Entire rooms operate in synchronized precision. Once stable, the process runs continuously.
The tablets are formed, but not yet finished.
After compression, tablets move into coating.
A thin film is applied with extreme precision.
Each droplet spreads into a uniform layer.
Color develops gradually as coating thickness increases. Controlled airflow removes moisture between layers. Thickness determines how the tablet behaves in the body.
Coating can also mask unpleasant taste. Some coatings control how quickly medicine is released.
Enteric coatings protect medicine from stomach acid.
Drying locks the coating into place.
Surface quality is visually inspected.
Defects are identified and removed immediately.
The delta T is leveling out nicely. Good. We are within the specified parameters for the batch.
The tablets now appear complete.
Cooling stabilizes the final surface. Finished tablets move toward final testing.
Coating changes both appearance and function.
Precision is visible in every finished tablet. Next comes the most critical step: quality control.
Look at this chromatogram. The peak integration seems slightly off here.
Let's rerun the sample on the second system to verify.
Weight variation testing confirms dose accuracy.
Dissolution tests measure how medicine releases.
Release timing must meet strict specifications. Hardness testing confirms mechanical strength.
Friability tests resistance to abrasion.
Disintegration ensures tablets break down properly. Assay testing verifies the exact medicine content.
Microbial testing protects patient safety.
Air quality is monitored continuously.
HEPA filters remove microscopic contaminants.
Human entry is carefully controlled.
Ensuring line clearance is a critical step to prevent cross-contamination in pharmaceutical production.
The key to quality control, especially in this environment, is precision at every single stage of the process.
Any failure triggers immediate investigation.
Regulatory oversight governs every decision. Audits verify every step of the process.
Data integrity ensures trust in every result.
Final authorization completes the process.
Approved tablets move to packaging.
Packaging begins only after full approval. The tablets are now ready for the world.
Packaging protects tablets from damage and contamination.
Each tablet is placed with mechanical precision. Foil sealing locks in stability and safety. Every pack carries a complete manufacturing identity.
Automated vision systems catch even the smallest errors.
Any deviation triggers automatic rejection.
Cartoning prepares tablets for distribution. Information leaflets travel with every pack. Serialization enables global traceability. Automation ensures speed and accuracy at scale. Storage conditions preserve product quality. Distribution is planned with precision.
Okay, easy now. Straight back, right there. Got it.
From factory to pharmacy, logistics never stop.
What looks simple is built on extraordinary precision. From raw powder to trusted medicine,
A process designed to protect millions of lives.
This is how modern medicine is made.
Precision, science, and trust inside tablet manufacturing.